Running a clinic and tired of chasing missed calls or managing back and forth messages? Let's build an AI chatbot that handles appointment bookings for you automatically. In this video, we'll walk through how to create an appointment booking chatbot for a dental clinic using WotNot. It takes just a few minutes and no coding. So, let's dive right in. Once you log in to WotNot, click on Build a Bot and select Web as your channel since we're creating this bot for a website. This brings us to the Bot Builder canvas. Think of it as your workspace where you build the conversation flow of your chatbot. Now, let's make this bot smart by adding an AI agent. An AI agent is like the brain of your chatbot. It uses advanced language models, just like ChatGPT, to understand context and answer questions naturally. Click Create AI Agent and name it something like Dental Assistant. To give our AI agent context, we need to write a prompt. A prompt tells the AI who it is, what it should do, and how to respond. You can write one yourself or let WotNot generate one for you. For now, I will paste a prompt that I created for this demo. Great. So far, with just the prompt, the AI agent keeps answering queries in a loop. But when someone wants to book an appointment, we want it to exit that loop and start collecting their details. That's where paths come in. Paths let the bot exit the loop and take action. So let's create a path called Book Appointment. Next, we'll tell the AI when to trigger this path by saying when the user shows interest in our services and wants to book an appointment. Once triggered, we'll ask a few quick questions to collect the user's name, their email, and service for which they need the appointment. This way, your AI agent isn't just answering questions, it's actually capturing leads and helping convert them into appointments. For our AI model, let's choose GPT-4o for its speed and accuracy. Now, to make the AI even smarter, we will train it with information about Bright Smile Dental. We'll do this by turning on the knowledge base and creating one. Ideally, you should connect your website directly so the AI is always up-to-date with your website info. But for this demo, we'll upload a PDF with all the information about Bright Smile Dental. Once it's added, the AI will rely only on this content to answer questions, avoiding hallucinations. Now, to connect your calendar, head over to Settings, go to the User menu, and click on Calendar. You can choose to connect between your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar, but for now, we will select Google Calendar and connect our Gmail account. Then, choose your calendar in which you want the appointments to be booked, set your time zone, and define your availability. Then, go back to the bot and add the Google Calendar action block right after the book appointment path. Next, let's create an event. Click on Create Event, give it a name, and choose the users you want to book an appointment with. Now let's configure how we want slots to be displayed by choosing the lead time, buffer time, and other configurations. After that, let's define the messaging of the calendar invite, which will be sent to your patients. Here we will add a subject like Your Appointment with Bright Smile Dental and a short description. Finally, let's decide what user information is needed to book the appointment. Since our AI agent has already collected the name, email, and service from the patient when taking the book appointment path, we'll just add those variables here. Then we'll enable the skip form option, so the bot doesn't ask the patient for the same details again if it already knows the answer. Now, when booking an appointment, there are two possible outcomes: success and failure. Success is basically when the appointment is booked successfully, and failure is when the appointment is not booked due to some integration issues. So, let's add an acknowledgement message for each by using the send message block. This way, your chatbot gives a smooth and professional experience no matter what happens, keeping your patients informed every step of the way. Now that everything is set up, let's make sure the chatbot works exactly as we intended. First, let's ask about what services they offer. And it provides with all the relevant information. Now, let's ask about a specific service. And the bot instantly replies, asking if we'd like to book an appointment. And when we say yes, the bot understands the intent and starts collecting our details, asking for our name and email. Once we provide it with our details, it shows the available time slots from Google Calendar. We'll pick one and confirm the booking. And it's done. The appointment is booked, and we see the success message with the confirmation note. Now that everything's working, let's take it live. Click Deploy to publish this version. Then, go to Settings and then Web Channel and customize how your chatbot looks, the colors, name, and the avatar. Then, head to the Installation tab, copy the embed code, and paste it into your website's HTML. And done. Your appointment booking AI chatbot is now live. And that's how you create a powerful appointment booking chatbot using WotNot that is fully automated and always available. Ready to try it out yourself? Take a 14-day free trial of WotNot or book a demo today. The link is in the description.